This is one of the most famous places in my area, which is known for the Rose Festival. And although the festival ended like a few days ago, the roses are still here. Some are still on the side. Where the forecasted rain, I think the rain will stop on Monday. So, you know, some of these roses will fall down sooner. I haven't really explored much this place, which is a bummer because there are a lot of beautiful places nearby. And this, unfortunately, just in time was able to look at it before the rain. So I was able to share some clips and pictures in my Instagram, which is here. You may check it out there. Aside from the roses, there are still walkways like this. Some more roses. It would actually lead you to the area there. If it's not raining, it's actually a good spot to go to for night walks for bike. If you want to do some exercise, jogging, that's a really nice place. And in South Korea, that's what they do. Chongrangchon. It's like the middle stream here in South Korea. They try to make it more friendly for pedestrians, putting up like tracks for walking, tracks for biking, and even some food stalls so you can eat there while actually resting. And if you feel hungry while walking, there's a lot of pyeongchons nearby. See, it's so beautiful, right? I'll be posting more of these contents in my YouTube channel, so hopefully you watch out for those. And since I'm part of the K-influencer family, they'll be helping us craft more value-added videos. And I just want to take a bath in the rain, but I think I won't be able to survive the night and probably get sick from it. Peeking through are some of the buildings near my area, Cinnamon. So I just went across the stream because in my side I think there's no available roses, so only this side. And I want to mention especially this one. In South Korea, they really value healthcare and health in general. So they put up these areas for stretching, warm-ups, even for exercises for elderlies. And even young ones can actually use those things. So, well, it's raining, so no one is using it. But the other time I went here, there's some people, even the younger ones, who are using it. Probably because the gym is closed. So as mentioned, if you want to go here, there are a lot of ways how to go here. There's a Chonghwayok, Taerongyok, Songgyeyok also is okay. 예쁘네. 진짜로. Can you see me? So this is the bridge that connects the other side to my place, which is Cinnamon. And here is the view. So here you can actually enjoy walking here. So if you have, there's a track as well. You can actually do sports, and also at the other side. So parehas meron. And the middle, the stream that cuts through the Seoul. I'm not sure if this is Hangang, but for sure it's not. But it's connected there. And you see the clouds. It's quite rainy today. I could have taken the bus, kaso I won't be able to enjoy the view. So we're just a few kilometers away from my home, and this is a good way to exercise. Actually, if you do back and forth, be able to collect at least 6,000 steps, and if you're aiming for 10k, that's already 60% of your target. So you have to do some more walking and be able to complete it. Same thing on this side without the flowers. So I think that's the only difference, I guess. Kasi more on trees dito. Yun yung ginawa nilang setup. And of course, the buildings, residential places. Usually what Korea does is, when there's a residential place, they build things like this. So that people, after a stressful work and going home, they could stop by here to walk. Well, another reason why a lot of Koreans are actually slimmer, although the rate of obesity is increasing lately. Comparing to other countries, they have lower rate. Well, aside from food, they have more active lifestyle perhaps. That's the reason why.